This video will show you how to remove the catback exhaust system on 2009 through 2014 5.4-liter F-150s.
All right, first step here, I put a pull jack under the longest pipe portion of our exhaust here just to make sure that when it comes down, it's being supported. Now, if you're working on the ground, not on a lift, you may not need this because you're closer to the ground. Because we're so high up, I don't want this to drop down, so I've got support here. Now, I'm using a 13mm swivel socket to remove the 2 bolts holding on that factory flange. All right, now at this point, you can try to slide this hanger off of the isolator, but I find it to be easier just to remove the whole thing from the frame. It's just 2 bolts here, 2 10mm. I'm gonna use my 10 swivel for this. And this is where having that support pull jack comes in handy. All right, at this point, you can take the whole exhaust off in one piece by sliding out the 2 remaining hangers.
Thanks for watching, and remember, for all things Ford trucks, keep it here at AmericanTrucks.com.